natira guys. Okay. Ito na lang natira. The rest is na-unlock na. So, let's continue guys. Continue na ta. Tanggal na yan. Oops. Oh. Yan. Oops.
Relax ako.
Magtakot ko lang sa kuan. YouTube ah. Oh, YouTube. YouTube. Kabinet ba? Pag oh. Naguba ako na install balik.
Kamu, nakamukha na ito.
Wapa. Ito nang eksperimentuhan.
Hmm.
Napa ko black screw? Black.
Magtingay ito.
Nagpad
Ako
ka?
nagpalit sa akin ng
Shopee?
di sa Yuri.
Hmm. So, tangtang na siya to? So, we're very successful to remove this cabinet. Yeah, detached already. Yan. So, we have to pull it down. Sakto ako? I-pull down siya. I remove down. Bring it down. That's how it works. To tangtang dapat tanggalin din to. Hindi ka dapat na ka.
Hindi.
Bukas kayo. Lah, kuyaw na kanila. Ga. Sila sa ubos oh. Ito lang ka-speakers. Need help for my wife. Ito ka. Ito lang napit siguro kaya kung ayaw ko na yung ayaw.
Ako na ako butang.
Baigda to biya kay ayaw na. Iyon dito ko yung ayaw. Dire ay baigda. Yan na siya. Siya tiil. Siya butong. Ah. Oh, sige.
Asa na ito?
Yan na. Oh. Ganyan. Oh. Okay. Ya, kung may taas. So, the aftermath. Yan. There's a lot of holes. So, holes will be cured by skim coat. So, lagyan din ng skim coat yan. So, this one. Ano? It's the old cabinet. And then, we'll put this into our bodega storage room. Okay. So, tanggalin to. Remove the stalls. Ayan. Okay. There's a lot of job to be done. How to pull these woods, then put some skim coat. Okay. So let's clean the area first before we proceed to install our new cabinet. There's a lot of dust in the wind. Yeah, dust in the wind. Yeah. Gawas dingding oh. Nagrabe ka o ka. So ito na. So mayroon siyang screw. Naiwan. There's a screw left in the hole. Yan. We have to remove the screw. This one we have to remove the woods. There's the woods. Before we have to put the skin coat. Yan. It's okay. Yan. Push it back. This one is very worst. Have to remove this screw. We need an umbrella. No umbrella. Hammer. Yan. Just put this camera.